Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Market futures are holding steady this morning after yesterday's big sell-offs. Dow futures are up 13 points. The NASDAQ is actually down 7. The S&P is up 5, but that's kind of like a Band-Aid on a bullet wound to yesterday's losses when the Dow lost nearly 3% and the S&P lost 68 points. Of course, all of this is because of fears of a trade war between the U.S. and China, hours after President Trump announced tariffs on about $50 billion worth of imports. China announced its own sanctions on $3 billion worth of U.S. exports, including pork and steel. But it should be noted, China says that was just their response to the aluminum and steel tariffs that were announced earlier this month. China is still working on a response to yesterday's decision. As a result, markets all around the world are falling. In Asia, the Shanghai Composite lost 3.4%, the Hang Seng was down 2.45%, and the Nikkei fell a whopping 4.5%. In Europe, things are actually doing a little bit better. The FTSE in the UK is down just 0.4%, the DAX is down 1.25%, and the CAC is down 1.25%. Back here in the US, shares of Kroger have actually jumped overnight. Take a look at this. It actually jumped 6% as it was reported that the grocery giant and Target are in merger talks. Now, Target has been looking for a way to improve its grocery business, especially after Amazon bought up Whole Foods. Shares of Target itself are also up more than 2.4% because of those talks. Later today, we're going to be getting new housing numbers, specifically new home sales. We're going to have a closer look at those in a later report, but that is it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Check out our past reports at realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we'll see you again after the opening bell.